Hi everyone, what I want to show you here is some basic usage of the SeaTerm, the terminal for the CTD, to troubleshoot communication problems. So I've prepared here the SeaSave software and I want to start sampling. I go to real-time data, start, I switch on the CTD and start. Yes, and I begin and I'll have no communication, I promise you that. Okay, that's because I made some problem there. So I cancel and I go to real-time data, start, and I have a look at the configuration. And I'm using COM5 on a baud rate of 4,800. If I have communication problem, the first thing I do is I go to SeaTerm, I work with the second version. This type of communication was formed okay, but let's see, I changed the definition for the same definitions I have on the SeaSave. Indeed it's COM5, but I'll try 4,800. okay, and disconnect and reconnect, and you'll see here that it's trying to connect in this baud rate and you're getting junk here, but in the correct baud rate you're getting letters. So I could tell that I'm on the right serial port, but I was on the wrong baud rate, and now I have communication. I can, let's say, put this command ds, which gives back the status of the device, and it's working alright. So now I can go to the communication configuration and see that I'm using COM5 and 6,900 baud rate. So now I'll exit SeaTerm, again go to SeaSave, $9,600. okay, I switch on the device and start, and communication is formed. So my baud rate was wrong, and we're done with this screencast.